Cultivate medicinal plants instead of poppy or marijuana, says Health Minister L. Jayantakumar. Infirmary road in deplorable condition, authority concern begins repairing. And 5 orchid varieties of Manipur on verge of extinction, says a research. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me, HARIPRIYAR, presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in details. The 4-day-long Arogya Fair 2018 has concluded at City Convention Centre, Imphal East today. Directorate of Ayush, State Medicinal Plants Board and State Ayush Society, Manipur have jointly organized the first such fair in the state. Minister of Health, Family and Welfare Ayush, L. Jayantakumar, MLA of Kairao Assembly Constituency, L. Rameshwar Maite, Director of Ayush, Dr. A. Guneshwar Sarma, and Additional Director of Ayush, Dr. Y. Lukhoi, were the main guests. Speaking on the occasion, Minister L. Jayantakumar said that various medicinal plants are found in the state. He urged everyone to cultivate such plant instead of planting poppy or marijuana.
In its totality, young Pugandri, I use a honey chance, which honorable. My Amat Hawaii happy about Adu targeting within 5 years. But the command I use saying, Massi, so much improvement lady. And the Madonna Hitman, I have say, Massi, I got the vision that day, Minister of the vision that day, coming to the vision that myself. It should be the vision of each and every one of us.
Mentioning about the recent visit of Union Minister of Ayush, Independent in charge, S.Y. Naik, who inaugurated 10-bedded Ayush Hospital at Kwakathil, Kunjinglekai, Minister Jayantakumar said the center is all ready to extend and support every needs of the state to promote the field Ayush. He further added that the state government is ready to submit the report before the election code of conduct of Lok Sabha 2019. MLA of Kairao Assembly Constituency L. Rameshwar, who also graced the closing function, said that many have released the benefits of medicinal plants and field of Ayush and urged the public to spread awareness amongst people.
Chief Guest from the election, very Honorable Minister Sri L. Jayantakumar Singh.
Authority concerned has begun mending the Infirmary road in order to ease the inconvenience of the commuters of both sides. It may be mentioned that the condition of the road has become so deplorable that it takes about 6 hours, while it used to take only 3 hours when the road was in good shape. At least 5 rare species of orchids found in Manipur are on verge of extinction. It came to light after the Forest Department and Botanical Survey of India published a book on checklist of orchids in Manipur. Here is a report.
The Manipur State Forest Department and Botanical Survey of India (BSI) recently published a book titled Checklist of Orchids of Manipur, a pictorial handbook, authored by BSI scientists Ashisho Asosi and Chaya Dior. The book listed 5 rare orchid varieties found in Manipur, which is on verge of extinction. These are Cymbidium, Dendrobium, Paphiopedilum, Pleon, and Vanda. The book further pointed out that many orchid varieties found in the state have been pushed to the point of extinction due to jhum or shifting cultivation, rampant deforestation and exploitation of wild orchids for commercial purposes. Out of the 973 orchid species found in the northeast, 407 are found in Manipur as mentioned in the book, which includes 554 photographs. Some of the orchid species found in Manipur might have disappeared even before they are scientifically documented. The book has a separate chapter on cultivation of orchids. The book, which is a complete work on orchids found in Manipur, is quite beneficial to archaeologists, taxonomists, foresters, environmentalists, horticulturists, pharmacologists, and planners.
Proprietor of MIS Dry Fish, Nambol Bazar, Maishnam Ibomcha said if a person is hardworking, he or she can live a contented life without doing a government job. Talking to Tom TV News, he said he is employing more than 20 people in the business of dry fish. He has produced more than 8,000 pots of dry fish, which is locally known as ngari. Different varieties of fishes brought from various places like Bangladesh, Gujarat, Lucknow and Vijayawada are used in his dry fish business. It is marketed at different places across the state. He also said that if one engages in whatever vocation he or she likes without being lazy, it is very easy to earn money. Moreover, it is high time not to depend solely on government.
Sinangari nambagi simbam aina hainajarwa simbam ji tawbasina adagi mi kun mari manga amso ina thabak piba ngamaga adu isa isusu atum laik laisu tamba mama tawbusu ai ngami aduna aina hainajarwa simbam je sidesum ai pesa talaga angang sing amusung mi employee khara atum thabak piba ngami aduna government gi thabak akta natraga so sina sum hingma ngame sei sumai thamjai.
Lamjingba Times of Manipur Tom TV was launched by Chief Minister of Manipur N. Viren on October 2 this year, and it has been 2 months now since the satellite channel was launched. The channel is now available on Tata Sky, and people from Manipur, altogether 43 countries, are able to watch news from the state Delhi. Many youngsters from the student fraternity of the state gave their opinions and feedback about the Tom TV.
From the bottom of my heart and on behalf of my entire team, Manipuri Students Federation, we hope the Times of Manipur will continue its legacy, and Almighty should bless the entire team of Times of Manipur a very successful journey in the near future.
We, the student communities, appreciate the Tom channel, which has been promoting in 43 countries across the globe of our Manipur, which promote and show the socio-economic cultures and every part of the hidden things of Manipur across the globe and in the globalized world. So we, Kangli Park Student Associations, appreciate the Tom channels, and we encourage the Tom channels to promote in the near futures and help to develop and give the hidden things of Manipur across the world. Thank you very much.
Times of Manipur gi site ko ina thagat ningai aduki mati gam thagali ngam khailai tuna thagat ningai oi aduga matung tarak badasu khoi Times of Manipur na 43 country da khogi ilamdang gi phajarab mapaw asi matam punamakta hena aphaba maikai da porak ngambo oisano haiba wafam asi thamjaraga student union of Kangli Park su ki maikai da gi su khoi na matung tarak badasu Times of Manipur bu adum tung koina hingmina na pagi damta khoi student organization dagi maikai dagi hajir
ngasi Manipur da thoiba issue sing thodok wathok sing tongan ba country sing dagi mieng sanga agani aduga Manipur da kari maram gi damakta sigumba issue sing lairi bano haibase atopa country sing gi mieng sangla kanda Manipur se sungsoi soidana koina taliba da pandam sing ase phangba ngamagani haibase Times of Manipur gi maikai da thajaba thamjaba ga loinana Times of Manipur na torok thabak thorom khodimakta tekta kaidana matam sang na miyam gi seba tawba ngambiu haidona aims ki maikai dagi thamjari.
And now let's have a short break. We'll bring you with more news, so stay with us. Welcome back. Prize distribution ceremony of the first state level Mathematics and Science Competition 2018, organized by Human Resource Educational Foundation Palace Compound, was held at Pinnacle Coaching Center, Palace Compound today. Addressing the gathering, Professor of Physics Department, Manipur University, as a Storendra said, students should learn how to gain knowledge without the help of teachers. However, the students should also clear their doubts with the teachers. Scoring good mark is important, but having good knowledge is more important.
Class 1 picking a tambina na oza yamami class 1 khala kan di tambina lete ko aduna tuition se kharama khai tawba kharama khai yumda isana pazaraga madilo hona ba adegi isana yumda pazaraga hona ba da khangata ba matam da school ki class ta tapi ni go za da oja simadi ai karino ha khangre amtan tapi wadna hangba madugi haina bisin le taw ko madu ta kanda da nasagi subject si mayek sen khangba mamne adu natadna nasai tuition na tawba ojana question answer piba ade simpa puraga parkhara hangaga khummaga 90% ade 100 ka phangaga asyam khange ga han khanba silan gani.
The first round of audition of Miss Manipur event to be held on December 21st at Chandrakriti Auditorium. The audition was held at Classic Hotel in Imphal today. Altogether, 22 aspirants took part in the audition. Members of state-level Miss Manipur Committee and President of All Manipur United Clubs Organization, Amuko, P.S. Devan Sharma said, women have great responsibility in making a good society. As such, the committee is emphasizing on both looks and ideology.
Fajabase, si Katanatana, Iram Dam Jibuchu, Fajabagi Takuda, Malingi Takida Pukataba Yadabse, Fajabanapagi, two the Salandwin. Aduki Namatani, Ikonasi, Miss Manipur Tourist. Agi Isha, Agi Fajaba, Havapoche, Agi Shagi, Agi Iram Damgi, Naisi Fajaba, Port Pudimachi, no the Loyma Yahalaganda, Malim Yona competition, Arena Sidajida.
Secretary of Women Action for Development WADE, Sobita Mangsatabam has said that crime against women is increasing day by day. 16 days of activism against gender-based violence consultation counseling program was held at Manipur Press Club by WADE under United Tribal Development Project. Speaking in connection with the activism, Sobita further said, even though crime against women has increased, there are low reports of arrests made related to this crime. Due to poor investigation, there has always been a delay in justice.
Empowerment of the victims, empowerment of the women, aduga empowerment has the pesa kitami suyaroiba. Ayo thana pesa le basu. Ai isasire to me adai kana sakadege kana banoina wakatesi ihana muda. The first step is to अभी पोस्टर पे क्या देखो तो इनका मादर लोग खेत में कोई कुछ तो पसे सीनियर सिंह से victim सिंह से दत्ता एबा लेकिन वो victim में सिंह से सुधुम हाई भी गने बा असुम वाला मिले चलो कैसे रिपोर्ट ताऊ कैसे पैसाने असुम ना लो justice तो तुमने फंगना तो बना मिले सी.
Oliver Moirang Thiem, receiver of Asian Aspiration Award 2018, was felicitated at Manipur Press Club by Charai Khudol in the Viva Health Sciences Private Limited. He received the award at 2nd Southeast Asian Youth Summit in Sri Lanka, where he represented India. Oliver Moirang Thiem said, Lengyan Phi made by Charai Khudol is popular among other countries. Export of Lengyan Phi and other traditional attire to other countries by Charai Khudol has already begun.
Second time we did moina forms link directly invitation lecture invitation la handaki tari kulipan da ina kuntra wa yaujari si kan da ju moina hanagi lengan pido yamna phajai habi da mukta phagi lengan phije charai kudul gi lengan phije logena amukan na lengan phije phanam amu supply to jari adagi aina chance amutang phange na khalaga akhoi inaki oiba kedobugi akoina coach su dai lu no inaki oiba mapalamda mantri mayam yauri bani youth minister country moi country ni pangi youth minister moi ahum yawi adu ate official high official mayam yawi ada kari gi damakta aina akhoi inaki lei na kedobugi damakta migi coach dai to dun haraga isagi oiba kudai selui adagi lengan phi yalui adu loi batung da ju aina makoi gi youth minister malaysia gi youth minister da aina khudol tamjarame akhoi gi Manipur gi firal adagi lengan phi akhoi gi salai gi thang maina tawre adamai tawra kan da moina hana si agi je phajai na ai ju nominate to buda Asian Inspiration Award je kun whole country nipan ga observer moi country khara Asia gi oina moi contract da bijai contract dang piba kansida ai ju ama pibire.
All Manipur Elementary School Teachers Association Jiribam branch have issued a notice stating that the teachers have not received a pay for the month of November as there is no General Educational Officer (JEO) in Jiribam office. Even though Sanasam Mangi Singh was transferred as JEO of Jiribam district on 24th of last month, the pay cannot be passed as there is no DDO to sign the bills. And now let's have a short break.
Tom TV, the first private satellite TV channel of Manipur, now available at Tata Sky on channel number 1973.
Welcome back after a short break. Exit polls for five states in election billed as the semi-final before year's general election predict a worrying outcome for the BJP in three heartland states, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan. An aggregate of exit polls shows the BJP winning streak is set to end in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, both heading for hung verdict. The Congress is tipped to win a clear majority in Rajasthan. The party is likely to lose Mizoram in K. Chandrasekhar Rao will retain Telangana. The exit poll says for Madhya Pradesh, exit polls see both BJP and Congress going neck and neck. In Chhattisgarh too, the BJP might have cause to worry. If the exit polls are to be believed, Chhattisgarh voted in two phases on November 12 and November 20. Madhya Pradesh and Mizoram voted on November 28. Telangana witnessed a three-corner battle with the TRS taking on the BJP and a grand alliance led by the Congress and Chandrababu Naidu Telugu Desam Party, while the main opposition in Mizoram. The Mizo National Front MNF is optimistic about coming back to power after 10 years. The BJP hopes to not only open its account in the state but also turn kingmaker for a non-Congress government in the event of a hung assembly. The BJP is contesting in 39 and the 40 seats. The ruling Congress and the main opposition party, the Mizo National Front, have fielded 40 candidates each. The states saw over 80% voting. Votes in these five states will be counted on Tuesday. Army soldier Jitendra Malik, accused of killing Inspector Subodh Kumar Singh during a mob attack in Bulandshahr earlier this week, was arrested in Kashmir by the Army 22 Rashtriya Rifles RR on Saturday, while the Uttar Pradesh government transferred Bulandshahr SSP Krishna Bahadur Singh and two other policemen. The Fauzi was in Bulandshahr on 15-day leave when the violence of the alleged slaughter took place. The police spotted him in a video of the violence. And now let's move on to some newspaper headlines.
Shanghai Express. 15th Orange Festival kicks off. Chief Minister promises financial aid to orange growers. Surrendered militant shot dead. UNLF claims. Zuko deal null and void, says MMTA. Sewerage project leaks out excreta. Imphal Free Press. 5 crore rupees work orders awarded to firm owned by Suresh Babu's sons during last government by short-circuiting tender process. HRA to approach UN bodies regarding Kishore Chand's arrest. Police did not allow peaceful protest at Kangla Gate. Surrendered KCP commander shot dead in Imphal. Producing more biodegradable paper products will minimize the use of plastics. The Morning Bell. MMTA rejects South Angami Group's claim as legal custodian of Zuko Valley. Chief Minister committed to resolve challenges of orange cultivation. Iroi Shemba molestation case must be resolved at soon. Ex-KCPL commander shot dead by UNLF. Manipur Mail. Orange Festival celebrated at Tamenglong. EM expects earmarked infrastructure development areas of DMU. Congress terms ED raids on Vadra associates as BJP's dirty, malicious tricks. Rajasthan polls. Gehlot says party is priority, not chief minister post.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Cultivate medicinal plants instead of poppy or marijuana, says Health Minister L. Kumar. Infirmary road in deplorable condition, authority concern begins repairing. And 5 orchid varieties of Manipur on verge of extinction, says a research. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and have a good day.